Eshasiye, you late Ebony. Eshasiye, sa akwala no buy into limelight. Kofo bibiri twoma no si akwala yiso. Kofo sopa akwala ye di na temoa e bi kane ma me kane papa. Titiru the manager no ni adwuma bullet. Ha bullet wa bre. En se mo adana fo aka fa akwala we hu. Amani di kɔ ne nkranchi. Ena fridge ni ensem no ɛhɔ ne yɛtak yɛkɔ Ebony side na obi yabu sɛ adan na mekɔ Ebony side masa nsɛ mebire hye fridge no ɔsɛ ka ho asɛm ɛna meyɛ pie na yɛka ho asɛm bebre kɔsɛ yabu sɛ yɛwɔ afia yɛwɔ mfi na sɛ na mekɔ nsɛm no so no mekɔ so ɛka yo sɛ aha ɛyɛ too much gh mesɛ subscribe to your YouTube channel follow yɛn men sem bia e she fridge mu bia me de bebro bia o se timi aka me di do abofo Michael me so hia no abonten a frɛ me afie saa nana me je so kama afie saa nana ne me I'm very proud we are proud say me nana de afie saa na ansa na me di nsem we bebro no yenkofa the inclusivity segment emro ene inclusivity me ba be ka ho asem no we ni nyina nim say kofo bebre address kama e form gentlemen e form ladies and inclusivity me gina mema ne so hwe e be inclusivity ana se e inclusivity say gentleman we be shirt a trousers na what belt e be a white and now red no shem pabwa black and now say good masa ti ye say inclusivity no we nya street ni so emwaye say gentleman na what dress say we kwa adwuma why you taking correct o shirt kama o trousers what you kama na o belt ni shoe o belt o bit me belt red no shoe pink utimi shoe black asa are we in class sem at least gentleman there o dress now o kikase mo ye takina e bia o belt black no ahwe bia o slipper na say o shoe black at least me say I call do some here masa no why gentleman masa also a gentleman we in class sem you cross sem ya cross sem no na echo the new normal me say what do ma so a enye belt bia na edi chechu enye belt bia e na edi chechu bia me say so we be brown shoe a brown belt so we be black shoe a me say na wabo with black belt ebe boye ba enko ni ko twa ho ma sisi ye ba ye de fridge mu nkomo no ebe bro because I can say aha too much gh me say also pese program you so asne a ehia me pa asne so no sika kakra bi na ade be so masne na ma bo adwuma no do road amount o de o hwe koye fa so fridge mu nsem no yi ba na say wo do ton de brem say me mo the room I just imagine you be rest assured say ni pa betu aguso te say sabi na sana fo bi e janan betu aguso say ya she adi amount because we carry say me din e do for Michael me so shawa bonte afre me face anana but you so kama pa na ensem a ye koso no the late Ebony me catching me born bi sisi e no adwene na about trim sisi o de wan kasa o ti fie a wo hwe me no de adwene na about trim ensem bebre na me ti yawo e wo me mu e me gira hoi me tena ase me ni producers tena ase se ye hwe eye Ebony e ba so akwala yi hyase eye ne nyum ma me hwe e call it poison name them enyuma akwala ne de baaye na yenhwe enkofo mo to do ma no egu akwala ne so ko social media all over everywhere akwala ye na du so mo ko international ene ye ne enti se bitie kese e Ghana for such a great talent e ko waste yere manu ha ese bebre na akoso we Ghanaians yankasa ye Ghana for ankasa ye hypocrisy no no yitimi kohwe obi ewo Nigeria yitimi kohwe obi ewo Abuchiri na sanyema no otiwa etimi owanwa say adena as a yankasa we don't cherish our own. I am proud we don't cherish our own because we person obesha Beyonce one on internet than so we ebonia say the previous on so awon ho owia one praise boni no be condemn on one kasa the local artist and someone ekoso no so we fear me kayo because some of me be say free me am not say me kan ho sem na ne ye apie na me ni na agya tum say de ye na ye ma ya na say nyama yen adai Ghana for atay so we fear me kayo say say yo ayona e wo ho this lady a also ba what for the replica of Ebony ayona yesa ewo from Rough Town Records ye bendi say enso so ewo ho se woni mu a me kayo me mo adwena baso this same Ebony a Ghana for say see oma mpa ye ntwa kwala ne nkwa so anase nyema wo ye no so ma mokwan ensi akwala ne de wo ya obesai Ghana for nkwala so we say also what can asem no also makayo me see me se me she fridge mu eno me ekọ du no ni ekọ twi ya twi sei ni yi ma na pi also we ma show wa o tire fie ka bi sa akwala no ya ntwan enyema bi a wo ye so a akwala be say Ghana for nkwala and then me see you what the replica of Ebony look alike Abba Ayona ewo recently Ayona ye music and the music video it say Ebony it say Ebony pepe me saw it say Ayona no eso so metwa no kwaso ana on say what if you can send me amen ne efisu so about so so about so also see afim now Ayona when we say na esaya me say Musa de sa attack na some previous esuni faso esuni nso bia no Musa de ko when we say so. And then when we say, I pray for the world, you know, Kofua, or no dear, or see, you two, you see, Ebony so, no Ebony New Year. You say, come, we Ebony so, and my Ebony New Year. It is how when we say the same attack, now the when we say so. When we say, man, may catch you, and on the video, and it was so necessary. Let me tell you, may Kai was only one. There is no father like Ebony's father. There is no father like Ebony's father. And so sharing this year. So if you have a Cairo, there was no father on earth more than Ebony's father. Ebony's father was privileged. So even in the Bible video, sponsor, or any papa na ye. We condemned Papa no Ghana for asofo bi no e kan someone enim and someone won shenkom gwa kola iso e ma koe konya na kwenhye wo kwa wo fi wiase ya yetwe ha e kwan na ka no e kosesi suru besi me bibusaw wo de me kai wo e kwan ya na yima no e se me se fi na me yibawo ya na se ye fi ya ni baba e se bi so wa ye nkan ni wie e kwan no wasam de e de baba etire na wo mo se da je contract say e be ma kola no ye na ba fom no you succeeded na mi siamo na ya be but so you fi so wo tasa na ni so wo chia ye de betere na ma wo I'm telling you now you decide me about the dia when we say so when you say mama this is my advice to you so wo be say ma wo twa kwa etwa ma ni da I'm telling you also say o ma shase and when you say why you depressed when you say are on drugs omo do ma no bro no be see when you say so me twa dey so me say so we afia me kawo about and what you show refi me kawo these same people am do ma no see ebony so let ebony ni ye no these same people asase mani esi when you say any ayo na so the person who the agenda behind those things bullets and a put the success what kind of bullets in free and you to it mean kobase and selfish interest in tea and now bullet show I don't know for show about this year it can never happen then when you bulldog my advice to you they say opa jai you maduma of late I've seen you very cool ukasa even on when the says issue you've come cool don't talk don't let people know your plans and I remember this can reading come on show before say what percent Ghana how you successful and you go wa bi fa ni kwant so e mo bia ko wucha odia na Ghana ni wo se adwuma we ya odia no obetimi asara wo tua we obefo adwuma we me na me nkoto ade ma ni nyeska ene ka adwuma ni be hye e be bo tiri so abo pampa so and some why ya asefim when we say Ayona you guys should be very, very careful. Extra careful with Ghanaians. Me kase. Only be ya. Must don't set up. And Trasi and for sense would be different. Do something. Me kayo. So we were say Ghana for us on so. What they wanted from Ebony, they were not able to succeed. So we fear me kayo. Go straight to them. We nyankof. We say them nyankofo. Awo matena. We yoko Ghana ni video ho. Awo pray to say pray for the world video. Yen to ho. Ebony. People are wishing dead for her. When we say people are wishing bad things for you, don't sit down. Sir, don't sit down. Don't sit down. Me dear, me say me duma say you feeling me na kayo. I will keep you on your toe. I will keep you on your toe. Ebony akwala no wo ye no. Masa, tell your phone call me see me. What say? This snake queens are no so called asofo no bi. No so called asofo no bi. No no the daddy dano. Ebi eye worse than Ebony. But you crucified Ebony. You just to akwala na rest in peace. Not in pieces. Now let's war. Until war, I'm telling you. Until war. Now you're so pathetic. I know you enche Ghana for the way fiasem. You won't be any short memory. You carry everything that went on. According to Quran, for the far home, and your popularity home, and your whole place, Eddie, when you're number 2 to Amoka. So, you see, you fear, you will feel. Let me see some of the free Jimu. I don't know the Kwaku Yaba. Now, my advice to West Town Records, Titiri when you say, Ayona, Ayona music. Also say media. But sweetheart, so why you saw the fat boy liar? And my real feel a whole lot that went to Ebony's death. There are so many things that went on. And then daily, now don't you bless a Fiji. Sound some Bob Bano and say big ba. You will never say Fiji. Because most of all yarning, and the end of the man, all neighbor, it is a Fiji. When I do more, hey, too much TV. Until I make us a subscriber, go on subscriber. Oh, how I'm telling you. Because ever I will share when your first time information. No, be a share we now a dead news amount. Click the notification button. No, a bounce I'm telling you. This is one thing we need to take it serious. Fridge you show Masa, oh me see biayo. Makacho me say oh some is a fridge mo. Oh dear. Me number dey go asem. We say I want to talk to Obofo. They will talk to me. No kasa one-on-one. Men somewhere how no. Masa, they say fridge mo on person obeka was. Bring it to me. You bring it to board. You can once on pay. They need the Obofo Michael. Obofo Michael. Me say we shama bontia. From the face anana. Mejo so kama. Se bia ni akire. Me cameraman ogina akire. Ebo ama de bia ye kama. Chamajo, I respect. Me da sepa so bo ma bibia kama. The producers o mo dosu. E da mu nyina amase. The chief editor Guda Asante. Piao. O ya dwuma ni nyina. Ahana mdi besi. Na me so halame on the next side. I'm out.